Dear Cheri, how much odor do vaporizers and vape pens give off? I'm considering one, but odor is an issue. That diaphanous cloud that just came out of my DaVinci vape, which I love, by the way, might look like smoke, but it really doesn't smell like smoke. Yes, there is a little bit of odor when you vaporize, but it dissipates almost instantly. Now, I'm not saying you should do this, but I personally have discreetly vaped in movie theaters, in restaurants, in hotel rooms where you're not supposed to smoke, in all kinds of places where you're not supposed to, and nobody has ever said a word. I do say discreetly. I don't wave it around in public and make a big deal out of it. But if you're discreet, odor is usually not an issue with vaporizers unless somebody is right there with you and on top of you at the time. Hope this helps.